Undercover. Available for Apple and Android. This app is perfect to have a good time and it is able to bring people of all ages together. This app can be played with 3 to 20 players. In this game, everyone receives a secret word, except the undercover who receives a similar one and doesn't know at first what his role is. You can discard words if the topic or difficulty doesn't fit. It has multiple languages and game options. There is a free mode, but you will see that, like us, you end up buying it. Cube Escape. Interact with the space shown to discover the story. Do not give up and do not forget the objects you collect because you may need them later. It is better to immerse yourself in the story of each of the seasons of these mobile applications. Take the necessary breaths. You will be so focused that it will help you to avoid all of your problems. Patchwork. This game is for 2 people. It is suitable for both adults and children. Teaches children about anticipation and the value of both money and time. You can play with young children by adapting it to their level, because it highlights the patches that they can select. The investment in these types of mobile application is worth it, as the board game has a superior value.